in baking, there is no match to the wonders of French pastry. Be it pâté choux or a freshly baked croissant, pulling off these desserts require years of practice and skills. But for home bakers, there are certain French recipes that are super easy to make. And when it comes to their taste, they are simply out of the world. So, today we are going to make one of my favorite French cakes called Madeleines. These are mini buttery cakes with a beautiful crumb texture. They are baked in a signature shell mold and are always served with a cup of coffee. So without wasting any more time, let's begin by beating our eggs and sugar for about a minute. Next, we'll add in some vanilla bean paste. This is a luxury ingredient that give absolute vanilla flavor, but in case you don't have this, you can simply use vanilla essence around 2 teaspoons. If you can see, there are some small brown specks in the egg mixture, and that is because we have used 100% pure vanilla bean paste. So next we are going to add in some honey. Honey not only provides a unique sweet taste but also some golden color to the madeleines. Lastly, we'll add in some melted butter. If you have noticed, this recipe has a high ratio of sugar, butter and egg, due to which these cakes come out to be rich and buttery in taste with a fine crumb texture. So our wet mixture is ready. Now in a new bowl, we'll sieve all our dry ingredients, starting with all-purpose flour, followed by salt and baking powder. Next, we'll add in zest of a lemon. Keep in mind that it has to be grated as fresh as possible to achieve that nice lemony fragrance. And with this, our dry mix is also ready. We will now add the milk and egg mixture alternatively until a smooth batter is achieved. As you can see, we have a beautiful golden batter ready. I'm going to transfer this in a piping bag and then we'll start with preparing our baking tray. Now, as I told you, Madeleines are always baked in the signature shell-shaped mold, which are always buttered and dusted with flour before we pour our batter into these cavities. So here I have some unsalted butter which I'm going to apply over the cavities. Next, we'll dust some flour. We will tap off any excess flour from the mold. This greasing and dusting helps in the easy demolding of these cakes. As our baking tray is ready, we will now fill the cavities with our batter and then place 2 to 3 blueberries. If you want, you can also use strawberries or Petit cherries for a different flavor. So, we are all done. I'm now going to place the tray in the fridge and we will let the batter rest for at least 12 hours. I know you guys are eager to bake these cakes, but this batter needs its rest in order to get that beautiful bump which is a signature in Madeleines. And I don't know why, but we bakers are obsessed with that bump, and if you follow this recipe step by step, I can guarantee you're going to end up with this cake with the most beautiful bumps. Once the Madeleines are out of the fridge, we will bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 12 minutes. With this, we are done with this recipe. If you like the recipe, do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.